Oh my god. Speaker turned off. What the hell?
So, yeah, that was pretty rough. I started this project back in, what was it, September 2021. And, well, as you can see, it's been a minute. I kind of just gave up, to be honest, you know. My camera ran out of storage, and so did my laptop, so I couldn't just export the files from my camera to my laptop. And at the time, I couldn't really afford a SD card to just start filming on, so I just stopped for a while. I had plans to finish it earlier, but, well, here we are now. Eventually I just decided, you know what, I might as well finish this thing. Even if it's not on camera, I've gone this far. So that's what I did. I just took the whole thing apart, which, as you see, I hot glued it in, so that took a while. I had to be very careful not to break the electronics. Yeah, I mean, the worst part was, before I hot glued everything, I tested it and it worked perfectly. But after I put the glue in and closed it up, it just stopped working. So it turns out the speaker wires got pulled out, and the problem is they're underneath the Talkbox, so I can't just, you know, simply take off the lid and repair it that way. I had to completely take out all the glue to undo a lot of the wires. And then I simply switched the speaker output to the second speaker output, because as you saw in the beginning, there's two speakers. So I simply switched the speaker output on the board from one to the other, and had it upside down, that way it doesn't have to bend around the underside of the Talkbox. And after a while of testing and small trouble and error, I finally got it to work to a usable amount. It doesn't work perfectly. I didn't realize how much sound comes out of the back of the speaker. So what I have to do is put a piece of duct tape around the front, and that helps funnel the noise back in through the tube. What I also do is I put the Talkbox in my armpit, kinda, and that helps all the sound that is not going through the tube just simply go behind me and doesn't really affect the the noise levels. Well, it's not perfect. It does work enough to get some set up, and it's actually a lot of fun. And I definitely want to do this again now that I have all this experience. But this is just how it is. This is how you learn. I don't have any formal teaching or anything like that. I figure out everything I do on my own and YouTube. So yeah, I just got back, fixed it, and well, here we are. And I'll show you some clips of me playing it. And I think it sounds alright. If you have any tips for how I'm going to remake this, please let me know. This is my first time making a Talkbox, so if you have experience, let me know.